TATE Dual Gun CNC Stud Welder is an advanced, high-efficiency welding solution designed for precision, automation, and reliability. With cutting-edge laser technology, it precisely removes the galvanized coating from the surface before welding, ensuring a clean, strong, and durable bond. Even for bent chassis and cabinets, our machine enables fully automated stud and nut welding, adapting seamlessly to complex structures without compromising accuracy. Designed for maximum productivity, the dual gun system allows simultaneous welding of at least 2 different stud or nut sizes, reducing setup times and improving workflow efficiency. The dual station system ensures continuous operation by alternating between 2 workstations, significantly enhancing output and minimizing downtime. Built for industrial-grade performance, the TATE Dual Gun CNC Stud Welder guarantees consistent quality, high-speed operation, and long-term durability, making it the ideal choice for manufacturers who demand precision and efficiency. Upgrade your production line with TATE's intelligent welding technology. Contact us today. Tell WhatsApp +86 130 657 065. Email info@oktate.com.